all you people that are on the fence that want to do something else, make good money, do all that stuff, you really ought to get into this business. Seems like there's been more and more people getting into it. It seems like the trend is catching on and people are waking up. So all you guys that are on the fence, don't wait too long. Hurry up and stake your claim out there. Time will run out and then you'll say, oh, I wish I did it. We have the best course out there. Don't be fooled by imitators. We put so many people into business. We don't only help you with teaching you how to do it. We mentor you 24 hours a day. You can call us. I've been doing this over 40 years. If you're in a situation, you need advice, you need a price on something, you need any of that stuff, I can tell you what to charge, what spring combinations to use. If you don't have the right springs on the truck, which one would be the next step to do. We've even helped people open checking accounts, their logo, their webpage, advertising. We want you to get into business. If you're not learning from someone that's been doing it for 40 years plus, you're not really learning, because there's little tricks to things that people that are new at it, they don't really know how to do it. We actually have garage door guys take our course because they see things we do and they didn't know you can do that. It's the easy way to do it. It's a smart way to do it. So they want to learn more, so they end up taking our course. Some of these guys, the whole company doesn't know how to hang doors properly, and they take our course just so at least one of them knows how to do it. Like I said, our course teaches you all that stuff, every little thing you need to know, and it's very user-friendly. You could be on a job, let's say you forgot how to identify torsion springs. You can go right to identify torsion springs. You can just click on the one that says identify torsion springs, and it'll actually bring you right to a little 5-minute clip where you can watch a video right there, and it'll refresh your memory, and then you can go back in and do it. And there's a lot of them in there that you can do that. And on top of it, if you can't find your answer when you're out in the field, we're like your boss. You can call us and we'll tell you what to do. And there's no charge for that. So that way you're not ever stuck on a job. Sometimes even people go on estimates and they call us to find out what they should charge. Or one guy went on one with like 10 doors on it. You didn't know what to charge the guy. So it's always good to have someone you can call, like a customer service or whatever, because it takes the pressure off of you to the customer and you're just getting a second opinion. So that's going to be very important to you as far as when you're out in the field and you need help doing your receipts. There's all these little things you need to get up with you, so when you go out to the job, you're prepared. It doesn't matter what it is, we help you with it. So take our course, learn the right way, learn from someone that's been doing it over 40 years, and we put the most people into business today that never worked on garage doors. Some people have never even worked with tools. They've taken our course and they're out there doing it. So don't feel like you can't do it either. I mean, once you start doing it, you're going to be excited to go out there and start doing it. So people that don't understand it, sometimes they feel down on themselves, like, oh, I'll never be able to learn how to do it. But the way we teach you, and once you learn how to do it, you're going to be more anxious to go out and do it. And you can take on as many calls as you want, but once you start getting good at it, you're going to be waiting for that phone to ring so you can go out and do another one. So it's exciting when you know how to do it. Anyway, I'll talk to you guys more later, but I'm going to go now because I'm almost to the job. Talk at you. Click like and subscribe or sign up. Also, we're putting together a platform in our course. People that sign up, people from all across the country that do doors and have gone through our program. You can interact with them if you have any questions as well, and you'll have access to other people, other technicians. You know, if you want to get pricing, if you want to get any information you want, you can talk to people just like a Facebook page would be, where you can send messages to other people that are online. All right, we're going to be having that soon. So all you people that sign up, you'll be notified when that's up and running. That's all for now. If you guys want to get into this business, we have a free lesson for you below. Just click below, watch the free lesson. We'll see you in the course.